Appear. Appear.
She appears to be a nice person. All of a sudden, the sky cleared, became blue and a rainbow appeared. Language differences did not appear to be a barrier. She had never been greatly concerned about her appearance.
Real popularity for encyclopedias appear in the 19th century in Europe.
Appear.
Base.
The base of the table has 3 legs.
He always wears a baseball cap.
Jeff decided to go into business selling baseball cards.
Nearby, some wires hang from the base of an electricity pylon, to which a box seems to be attached.
Experts then establish a base exchange rate and use it to compare economies.
Base.
Brain.
You must use your brain to solve the problem.
Schizophrenia is an illness affecting the normal functioning of the brain.
Her father died of a brain tumor. It has also been known to contribute to the brain development of babies in the mother's womb.
Cerebrospinal fluid is continually produced by the brain at the rate of 500 milliliters per day.
Brain.
Career.
You need to be careful in every step in your career.
Madonna likes to control all aspects of her career.
Dream up your perfect career. The role will be the biggest challenge of his acting career.
The professor always shows great dedication to his career.
Career.
Clerk.
She is a good clerk.
Do you want to work as a post office counter clerk?
For the time being, my sister is clerking in a department store. The clerk of the court shook his head mournfully.
All sales clerks answer to the store manager.
Clerk. Effort.
I appreciate your effort. She was rewarded for her efforts.
Our success is largely due to your efforts.
It causes any efforts at reform to fail.
Advertising managers oversee their company's advertising efforts.
Effort.
Enter.
2 guards greeted me as I entered the front door. A truly enterprising business person knows how to exploit these large changes.
Television provides universal entertainment.
Many enterprisers struggled very much to manage their company.
The colored rays of light entered this second prism, and a single ray of white light emerged.
Enter. Excellent.
I got an excellent score on my school test.
She is an excellent student. Lychee and wine is an excellent combination.
That is a excellent work. I got an excellent score on my school test.
Excellent.
Hero.
To children, the man in the blue and red costume was a real hero.
She worked heroically to help others escape.
Remember, no heroics, we just go in there and do our job. Illegal addictive drugs, like heroin or cocaine.
A role model is kind of a hero.
Hero.
Hurry.
I hurried home on my bike.
You'll have to hurry if you want to catch that train. You'll be late for your flight if you don't hurry up.
I hurried home on my bike.
We need to hurry down to the store before it closes.
Hurry.
Leave.
I never leave the house without my phone.
They cannot leave the country without permission.
What time does the train leave?
I hardly saw the concert since I had to leave early.
These birds build nests of twigs and leaves.
Leave. Nurse.
I am very grateful to the nurse taking care of me that day.
He is fortunate to have such a caring wife. She was glad to nurse him back to health.
The theater nurses was preparing some surgical instruments.
My mother wanted to be a nurse in her youth.
The nurse will take your blood pressure in a moment.
Nurse.
Operation.
Peter's operation was very successful.
The first 24 hours after the operation are the most critical, so the patient needs special treatment.
Capital assets generally include these assets outside the daily scope of business operations.
The operation to transplant a kidney is now fairly routine.
These units played a key functional role in the military operation.
Operation.
Pain.
His head was full of pain.
Wrist pain can be caused by repetitive motions, injuries or other problems.
The museum displayed many wonderful paintings.
I have a sharp pain in my earlobe.
This paint is an additive that keeps mold from growing on it.
Pain.
Refuse.
The dog refused to play with the cat.
Mr. Cousins refused to give up hope. A company should not dismiss or otherwise penalize an employee who refuses to work overtime.
France originally refused to sign the treaty.
She refused to cohabit with him before the wedding.
Refuse.
Though.
Though it was late, we decided to go.
I never thought I would be facing redundancy.
I thought Mr. Jones was stupid and incompetent.
The other penguins thought they were very strange.
Brain imaging was once thought to be too costly and difficult for widespread use in the developing world.
Though.
Various.
She owned shoes of various styles.
She tried various medicines and drugs, but none of them helped.
The school has received various grants from the Education Department.
Medicines that are used to treat various fungal infections.
Various. Locate.
The doctors located a problem at the base of her brain.
We located our town using the grid.
The house is located in Ward 5.
Last but not least, we search our memory to locate information.
Locate.
Later.
Later, she watched the film. And she gets some wine for a party later that week.
Contract work can open doors to permanent job opportunities later.
Later, she watched the film.
When he had not returned with my money an hour later, I realized that I had been taken for a ride.
Later.
Picture.
Her picture is really wonderful.
This is a picture of the president in profile. One artist's portrayal of an everyday object, such as a bouquet of flowers.
Her picture is really wonderful.
This is the picture of the street in the past.